Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. Today we are self-servicing the E46 3 Series.
Just a basic service, nothing fancy, because you know I'm not made of money.
Apprentice life.
And we haven't got enough oil, so we can't do an oil change, and we haven't got anything to catch it with, so again we can't do an oil change. But yeah, we're going to get something done. First thing of order, get the air filter out. Just these two little plugs here. Uno and dos.
Then this piece of shit.
This fucking plastic thing, because you know BMW likes to cover their engines in plastic. Comes off. And then you've also got two 10mm bolts here which just come off, and then the good old air filter comes out.
Get the screw fixed and get set out, boy.
Good old screw fix.
Right.
Jubilee clip down here just undoes with a lovely 6mm spanner.
Right, and then the last bit, you've got this little clip on your airbox which plugs into there. Just unclip that and your whole thing's out, you know.
You've got like 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 Phillips head screws just all the way around the airbox. Oh, that's doing up. It's just all come off, and then when they're all off, you can get round to your air filter and reveal that. So you want to get this airflow sensor off here, which comes off, and then that basically just clips off from there.
Two 11mm bolts on there, just literally connecting that onto that. And then your old filter pretty much just falls
Brand
out.
new filter. Your new filter, slot it in there. Just slot it over those clips. Put the sensor back on, and then you can do your two 11mm bolts back up.
And that is how you change your air filter. Once you've got your new air filter in, you can proceed to rebuild your air box back into your car.
Next item to do, spark plugs and pollen filter. Take this plastic bit off here. Got 3 little spring clips. Here, just pull up. Comes out.
There's your cabin filter.
Nope, that's going to get replaced afterwards.
Got a brand new one of them.
And then you've got 4 bolts here, which remove this tray, and then that reveals your plastic bit here, which you can get off.
They're not actually bolts, they're hex head screws.
Get to you, you know what I mean. After you've got all your bolts out, you have to unclip all of these wires and factory lube off, and then it just pulls out like that. Take your oil cap off. And then you can take this plastic trim off. Put your oil cap back on, because if you drop anything in there, you're not going to have a nice day. And then when you got your plastic bit off, you reveal your coil packs, your spark plugs are underneath all 4 coil packs, and then this wire comes off there. And then you twist and pull, and there comes your coil pack. You want to get a long extension piece to go onto your end of your spanner with a 16mm socket. Start to undo this spark plug. There's no real telling when you get to the end of the thread on the spark plug. You just got to kind of guess it, and then spend the next half an hour of your life trying to pull it out. 4 spark plugs out, and come over here and look at your new ones. So that's after a year of use, and they're your brand new ones to put in. And then once all your new spark plugs are in, you can go around and plug all your coil packs back in. So all those wires, slot them in. So once all of those are in and all your coil packs are in, you can plug your wires back in and begin to replace all the stuff back onto the top of the engine bay. So after you've got the covers back on and this little tray bit back in, you want to put your 4 Torx bolts back in there, screw the tray down. This is also a time that comes to change your pollen filter. So there's our old one next to our new. You know what it is. Bosh. And that just slots in there like that. So literally clip that little plastic bit in back there, put your rubber bit back in there, do all your clips up to hold your wires in, and that's the air filter, pollen filter and spark plugs done so far. Next service part is the front brakes. Rears were done about 3 months ago when I changed the tyres, so they don't need to be done. But the front brakes have got quite a bit of scoring on, and it does look like it's hard to get in low, so we're going to change them out. So you want to jack the car up, get your front wheels up. But you don't need to see this. We've already got a whole video on how to do front brakes. Link will be up here. So we've got 2 bolts, they're 10 mils to get this plastic cover off so we can do the oil filter. And be careful because there's plastic washers in there as well. That just slides towards you. You can buy a specific cap to go onto the top of the oil filter to get it off, but we don't have one. We've got a chain. Pretty much the same thing. You just tighten it around it and then loosen it like that. Come back around. Just keep on loosening it. You also want to get a bucket on hand because to catch any of the oil that might be left on the oil cap. And just pulls out like that. Let any of the oil drain into it, and then transfer it to your bucket. This is our new filter, brand new filter. Comes with these washers that you have to replace the washers on the oil filter itself. So you want to pull your old filter off. You've got 1 washer here. You've got to use something to get underneath it. It can be a pain. And you've got 1 washer on the top. Just pulls off. Then you want to get your new 2 washers. Slow them down. Screwdriver. And ping it over the ring. That's 1. Next one goes on top of there. It's 2. Slide your new filter on. There's no real way it goes on. It can just go on whatever way you want it to go on. And then what most people do is they put oil on their filter to kind of start the process rather than letting it in there and letting it get lubricated. So that's what we're going to do. Just get it all nice and lubed up. Then it can go back inside the car. It's only 25 Newton meters of torque, which is not much. It's hand tight really. You can put your engine cover back on. Slots on over there. Get your 2 10mm bolts. Put them in there. Hand tight will be fine. That's done. Time to move on to an oil service. By draining the oil and putting a new one in. So now we've come to drain the oil. The oil drain plug is there. We've got a bucket, 10-litre bucket to catch it and dispose of it. So we have to get that out with a 17mm socket. So now it's hand tight. You can just undo the drain plug and let it flow in. Then once all your oil is drained, you can put your cap back in. You're going to get oil on your hands regardless of whether how you do this or not. So you want to get yourself a cone and just begin to pour your oil in. So we've just finished putting our last 5-litre bit of oil in. So we've got about 7 litres in there. We'll cross check it with your dipstick in a minute, and after that you should be fine to start the car. So over 2 days we managed to get the oil filter, air filter pollen filter, all 4 spark plugs, the front brakes changed, and a complete oil change. And that is how you pretty much do a basic service. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And keep coming back for more.